All right, news just coming in after India Today first reported that the government was moving closer to the Uniform Civil Code. The Law Commission has suggested compulsory registration of marriage. The Law Commission, however, existing personal laws will continue. The Law Commission has clarified that the bill is not aimed at removing, abolishing or amending specific religious or cultural practices. The Law Commission recommends an amendment in Registration of Births and Deaths Act 1969. States to follow the Centre's bill as a guiding force must bring their law in consonance with Centre's law. Law Commission will tread cautiously, clarifying that personal laws will not be scrapped. To give us a larger understanding of this is my colleague Anusha, who's joining us live. Anusha, at one end, making it mandatory to register marriage. How does it coexist when it comes down to personal laws?
So pretty clearly here is the Law Commission treading very cautiously. We must clarify to our viewers that marriage remains a subject on the state list. That means it is a subject in which only particular states can have state-specific legislations. However, there has been a thought and thinking in the past 10 years to have a coherent law as far as the registration of marriages is concerned. Now, even the UP attempted something like that, but that didn't go through. Now, right now, what the Law Commission is talking about is that like you have a register for life and death, for the birth and death, you must also have a register for marriages in this case. The idea which is flowing in this entire report, if you read it, is to make sure that women under various religions are able to claim maintenance, prove their marriage in case of a conflict, and the third and the most important thing is the claim to the property. They are also able to claim their property. Most importantly, what happens in legal disputes is the fact that women are not able to prove their marriages because it has not been registered or there has been a case of bigamy. But I must also say that the Law Commission repeatedly clarifying that they will not tinker with any personal laws is a very cautious move, is a very conservative move. Such reports have also even earlier come from the Law Commission, but they have not gone ahead and touched any personal laws at this moment right now. Preeti,
thank you, Anusha. We'll get back to you for updates on that story. Meanwhile,